Just last school year 2013 to 2014, the Department of Education has documented more than 1,700 cases of bullying. Violence in schools takes many forms: peer-to-peer bullying, gender-based discrimination, physical assault, and public ridicule. With this, NGO Karate Masters have started an anti-bullying campaign through the use of one of our favorite combat sports. Martin Valdez filed this report.
As hashtags are the new trend, why not try using hashtag Stop Bullying? Karate Masters urge the youth here in Laguna to join in their advocacy to fight bullies, which is common in schools. Besides being a sport, martial arts can also be used as self-defense, but with due responsibility and accountability.
Iba kasing dalawang karate yan. May sports, may martial arts. But nonetheless, both approaches, nakakatulong yan sa development. Magkaiba lang na martial arts is self-defense, directed talaga. So fighting, Yung sport is part of growing. While martial arts is for life.
Under the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013, signed by President Aquino, all primary and secondary schools are required to safeguard students from bullies. The protection of children from bullies is one of their core rights and is something that should be not taken advantage of.
I'm proud of how Mr. Marcelo Lavrazza get all those people together and motivate them.
Weak person niya raw, yun yung mga prone sa mga bullying. So with this kind of sports, martial arts, with the joint project o yung sport ng iba-ibang federation din, mas mapapa yung anti-bullying namin.
Karate International Grandmaster Masato Higa from Italy graced the event as he ensured if the children are taught martial arts the right way.
But more important is our philosophy is do a big family in all the world. My father, my big master, always said that is why I try to diffuse this philosophy in all the world.
Higa believes martial arts can help put an end to the prevalence of bullying.
Sumusupport kami dyan, supportado namin yung so that yung through karate training, in a way, mapiprevent natin yung mga bata na una matutunan na yung disiplina. And then, ma-realize nila kung ano yung violence.
These kids proved their prowess as they showed us their moves.
Para hindi po masaktan yung inaapi. Self-defense po.
Self-defense. Ikaw.
Self-defense din po.
Self-defense. Magaling ka ba? Paano yung mga moves mo?
Ganito po.
Oh, tapos?
Punch.
Okay. Ikaw.
Self-defense.
Dito.
Self-defense din po.
Self-defense din.
Representatives from the Boy Scouts of the Philippines were also present to express their all-out support for the young ones.
Binibigyan namin ng prinsipyo ang mga bata. 3 prinsipyo. Duty to God, duty to self, duty to others. Saka laging handa. Boy Scout of the Philippines! Wow!
So bullies, better watch out as tables may turn if you come across these karate kids. For Kids Life on News Life, I'm Martin Valdez.